We all strive for balance in our lives, but I'll bet one form of balance you haven't thought about is the acid-base or pH balance that's happening inside your body. And fortunately, you don't have to think about it. Our body has complex mechanisms that work together to keep pH in balance. If pH balance is like maintaining a comfortable temperature in your house, then the pH that I am studying is how our body keeps that pH in balance. I'm guessing most of us set our thermostat somewhere around 70 degrees, and by doing so, no matter what temperature changes happen on the outside, the inside stays almost constant at that 70-degree set point. The same principle applies to our blood pH. Despite variations in how much we eat, drink, or exercise, all of which can affect pH, it stays exquisitely close to its set point of 7.4. So with this analogy to temperature in mind, what I have been searching for is the thermostat for pH. Now, during an acidosis, which is defined as anything that decreases pH, our brain senses this change and triggers an increase in breathing in order to blow off the extra acid in the form of carbon dioxide. At the same time, our kidney responds by increasing acid excretion in our urine. So if a decrease in pH is like a decrease in temperature, then these responses by our brain with its control of breathing and our kidney with control of acid excretion are just like your furnace and fireplace, working together to keep your house warm. But how do these organs sense that there was a decrease in pH in the first place? Well, we discovered that in the brain, a single molecule called NBCE1 acts just like a thermostat for pH. At the molecular level, NBCE1 transports base across the membranes of our cells. And because this transport increases during acidosis, this acts as a signal to our brain that our pH is decreasing. To understand the impact of this, we genetically modified mice so that they are missing NBCE1, and we tested their response to acidosis. And we found that the expected increase in breathing never happened. Just imagine your furnace with a broken thermostat, unable to respond to a fall in temperature. Even more surprising, because these mice don't blow off carbon dioxide like they're supposed to, this caused the kidney to overreact and excrete more acid than it was supposed to given the severity of acidosis, a response that can actually cause damage to the kidney. To take our temperature analogy to the extreme, this would be like starting a bonfire in your living room just because your furnace broke. Since acidosis and kidney disease are often intertwined, it's my hope that these results will lead to better and more targeted therapies for kidney disease patients in the future. Overall, this research indicates that NBCE1 with its base transporting activity is an essential mechanism of pH sensing, which makes pH balance really all about that base. Thank you.